Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my kitchen again. So for today's video, I'm going to cook a tofu with beansprout or togi. So first, iwawash lang natin ang ating tofu using salt and water. Ibabadlan natin ito ng for mga 5 to 10 minutes. And then of course, the togi or beansprout, we have also to wash or ibabad natin din ito ng salt with water. Okay, so you have to make sure that our food is clean before we cook. So kaya ako ginagawa to. So pag mga vegetables, we have to soak first with salt and water. And these are our ingredients. So we have to chop the garlic, at least 5 cloves. And same with our onions or sibuyas. Just cut it like this. And also the tomato. So I used 2 pieces of tomatoes. And we need also a ginger. Just cut it also into a small pieces. So just like that. And we also have here spring onions or dahon ng sibuyas. So this is optional if you just want to have this for additional color to your tofu. And we have also green chili. I used to, pero this is also optional if you want to make your tofu more spicy. So dagdagan natin ng sili. The red siling labuyo. Okay, so lalagyan ko rin siya ng carrots. Just chop it into a small pieces like pang French fries, like that.
That chilled me to the bone. There was no way out, no one to call for help. That's when I started to cry. Anna ran to me and hugged me tight. I didn't see Hank at all that day, but there was constant thumping sound to come from the attic. The next morning,
Then, tanggalin na natin ang water sa ating tofu. And let's slice it into cubes.
we got to the car and drove to the restaurant. Anna was practically jumping in her sweetheart. I saw suspicion for me, Hank's eyes. I asked Hannah to come along. The little girl grabbed my hand and went, 18 years old. Not much younger. How? Thanks for that. I stopped dating a long time ago. I'm trapped in this child's body, but I can't do anything without somebody who actually looks like an adult. I just want a normal life with a normal family. You can feel sorry for me all you want, but I'll find a way to get a real family someday. It doesn't have to be you. It doesn't have to be anyone. Hannah's gonna be staring more than me walk up in the house. Or you can be anyone. Who are these women? I accidentally took pictures of her diary. Then Hannah says Jesus.
And I added also a pork. So this one is a pisngi. But it's up to you kung anong part of the pork. So kung ano lang yung available natin sa ref, ayun yung lulutuin natin. And then just cut it into small pieces. And alisin na rin natin ang water sa ating toge. So let's start cooking. Okay, so igigisa lang natin ang ating sibuyas at bawang, and then next the pork. Then we just need to add the black pepper and the salt to taste. Then just add a cup of water. And then takpan lang natin to boil at hintayin na maubos ang water. Ito ay para maging malambot ang ating pork. And then we added soy sauce. And liquid seasoning. This is Anor liquid seasoning. Sugar. And a small amount of oyster sauce. And now we can also add our ginger and tomato or kamatis. Now we add our main ingredients, the tofu, and just mix it until lahat ay magkaroon ng coated of soy sauce and the other ingredients. And then let's cover to cook the tofu for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then here it is. Now we have to add our carrots and our bean sprouts or toge. And add our spring onions, or daon ng sibuyas, and also our green chili and red chili. So hindi ko siya inubos guys kasi baka ayaw nila ng maanghang, super anghang. And I added also a magic syrup to make it tastier and yummier. Then let's cover about 2 minutes for another 2 minutes to cook our vegetables. And here it is. It's already done. It's ready to serve. And now you can enjoy our delicious tofu, and it's very tasty and nutritious. Our vegetables, the toge is still crunchy. Okay, so you can try also this at your home. And thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye. God bless.